Hello, my name is Clara Dominguez. I'll be discussing exchange theory for my sociology class 3307. Developed. The exchange theory was developed by George Homans, also known as the founder of behavioral sociology. Homans developed the exchange theory in 1958, trying to better understand the individuals' weights the cost and rewards in their interactions between one another, making a decision by seeing what will benefit them the most and what might they lose in that interaction. Contribution. Holmes developed the theory, however, there were individuals who contributed to the theory as well. Beginning with Peter Blau, he explored the role of power in the interactions, which means the ability to influence others. Also, John Thibault and Harold Kelly both assisted with a more psychological aspect, examining how individuals make decisions with small groups of people. And lastly, Richard Emerson added to the theory power, dependence, perspective, meaning how individuals' imbalances, power, influence, exchange dynamics. Principle of benefit. To understand the exchange theory, we have to understand the principle of benefit. This is the relationship individuals form. However, these relationships are focused on what someone gains out of it. The ultimate goal is to maximize the rewards and minimize the cost or the punishments. Better understand. To better understand the exchange theory, I'll be discussing two examples. The first one is violence in family. A husband beats his wife. In this scenario, the husband is receiving the reward. The benefit of the whole situation, he is gaining power and control over his wife. And because she is afraid of him, she is less likely to go to the police and report this violence, which of course makes the risk of him not getting actually arrested for this behavior. The other example is friendship, which everyone can mostly identify with, starting with the punishment or the cost of this interaction of friendship is that because both of you work, it's difficult to find an actual time to meet. However, this is rewarded with whenever y'all actually meet, y'all share and create fun memories together. Breakdown. So, exchange theory is the components of the relationship, the interactions between usually two individuals that are trying to get the most out of those interactions. And of course, trying to lose or avoid losing anything at all. These relationships, interactions are lost when an individual notices that they're losing more than they're actually gaining out of that interaction relationship. In short terms, this exchange theory is broken whenever there's no balance. For my presentation, I used two resources. The first one was our sociology book, Deviance Behavior, from Alex T., Jim I., and Martin S. There were two pages I used, 133 and 134. The second resource I found actually on the internet. It was an article called Social Exchange Theory of Relationships, Examples and More, written by Charlotte Nickerson. Thank you so much for watching.